to film and move around in this small enclosed area.
He doesn't want you to film him, he wants you to pet him.
I am petting him.
Ooh, I think I'll have some crunchy. That's a good boy.
It's Zach's small and stylish bathroom apartment. Ooh, it's actually the cat bathroom.
It is now. Oh, there it is. There's a little bit of room to walk around. I do have food.
He stepped in his litter box.
Yeah.
Didn't use it, but he stepped in it, so he knows what it is.
Sorry.
We know he likes dry because that's what he was eating at the shelter.
Right, that's why I was asking.
Excuse me, I just ate dinner. He's just a little guy. You really can't tell from the scale of the shot, but he's 5 months old. His birthday was November 14th, 2008.
He's a hungry guy.
We actually don't know for sure that that was his birthday, but we figure he was 5 months old. He was born in November, and Mark's birthday is on the 14th. Not the same year, of course. Not even the same century.
Hey, hey!
Sorry about that. But that being said, it's easy to remember.
He's going to need more food before the night's out.
That's okay. He's going to need... He has a little bit of a cold. So we've been given some cold, I guess some antibiotic or something from the adoption place, Morris Animal Refuge, which I donate to every year at Christmas. And I just figure that if I take video of him on his very first day, we'll remember this for years and years.
It just seems smarter to get a cat, if you're going to do it, to get a cat that actually isn't from a no-kill shelter, because this way we really are saving someone's life.
But look how cute this guy was. Somebody would have adopted him.
Well, then maybe we should have gotten an older kitty.
I'm not getting an old good kitty.
I didn't say old.
I'm getting some old ugly cat, just because you're likely to be put down. I have some standards. Look at him eat. I know you've heard about things being about as interesting as watching grass grow. This is about as interesting as watching a cat eat.
Yes, but at least he came out and he got hungry. And that bowl of food is not long for this world.
Yeah. He's quite a talker too. That's one of the things that attracted me to him. Jingle, jangle, jingle.
Luckily, this room will be just fine for him for a couple days.
You know, so far, Metro's been a little curious looking under the door, but other than one little tiny hiss he made, he just seems to be perfectly fine.
Oh, do you want to come up here? Yes. Yes. Give me all your affection.
himself by knocking on the door with his tail.
Zac. Who's a good boy, Zac? I can play games. Now I can climb finally. Ooh, 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 ooh. Wow. Right here, buddy. Everything he bumps into, it's like, oh, will this pet me? Will this pet me too?
He's not camera shy. Ooh, he does have claws, though.
Yeah. So he was good for an hour. He was good for 2 hours, and then suddenly the exploring with the claws. That's why I'm like,
Well,
scheduling the declawing, and it's like, oh.
Shh, it makes it sound like terrible people.
For the first hour, it's like, oh, I'm humble and gracious for you taking me in. I wouldn't think of extending my claws.
Claws are great until we come home and find them halfway up our silk drapes.
That's... oh my god. He's gonna have to be confined to certain rooms when we're not around.
Well, he'll be in here for a couple days. Until Metro gets used to him. Let's see, right now it's a Tuesday evening. Probably keep him in here till Sunday since we're going away on Saturday.
I'll take those drapes down before I leave them around with him.
We did buy little
They're gonna
cat claw covers for the meantime.
because once he stops being scared and starts being comfortable.
Oh, a little bit of a cold and a sneeze.
Okay.
Oh well, that's just a brief look at our new cat, Zac. And so, signing off for now. But we'll be back with another edition soon. Good night.